Yes, 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 yes.
Look at the little feet.
Congratulations.
Look, it has little
Is it a boy?
Is it a boy or a girl?
You can't tell.
Oh, it's cradling its head.
Oh. We put it in the jar.
Yeah, that's what the jar is for.
Yes.
Yeah, we're ready.
Oh my God! Can I have one?
No, Josh. Don't eat it.
Yeah.
How many
No
are there?
promises.
6.
Let's go.
Oh wow.
I'm guessing there's 6.
There's
Is
6
it gonna
like
fit in
bumps.
a jar?
This one right here doesn't feel very well developed like that.
Yeah, that
one
one's
does.
look flat.
It looks really flat. I can feel him in there.
I like
That's
how
his
Pat
hind
can just
leg.
hold it one-handed and have it like real still, and I'm like holding it, and I'm holding it with 2 hands, and it's really shaky.
That's just
That is
No way, I had no idea.
This is awesome.
Oh, that's
Look
awesome.
at its face.
Can zoom in on that.
Guys, put your phones away, please.
Oh, come on.
It's a miracle of birth.